Samsung's Galaxy S8 and Galaxy Note 8 proved popular in 2017, bringing the company back from turmoil after its failed Galaxy Note 7. Now Samsung is expected to unveil its next flagship, the Galaxy S9, in late February. And while the new phone may look a lot like its predecessor, Samsung is working on a host of important upgrades to its most important flagship. 1. Super cameras on their way. After dual cameras came to the Galaxy Note 8, it's perhaps no surprise they're reportedly slated for the Galaxy S9. But there could be a caveat. Samsung is only reportedly planning a dual lens camera for the Galaxy S9 Plus. The Galaxy S9 will keep a single lens, according to reports. 2. First with Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. Qualcomm and Samsung are rumored to have again signed an exclusivity deal that will ensure the Galaxy S9 gets the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 before all rival phones. If this agreement is similar to the one struck with last year's Snapdragon 835, the 845 would only appear in Samsung's phones for a few months before appearing in other Android devices. 3. Some much-needed storage. Samsung has already said that it's ramping up production on new 512GB flash drives that would make their ways to future smartphones and tablets. The company has also confirmed plans to keep manufacturing 256GB flash drives. That could all translate to far more storage in the Galaxy S9 than the 64GB you'd find in the Galaxy S8. 4. A new X. A post from serial leaker Rice Universe contends that Samsung could be planning a new operating system for the Galaxy S9. This new interface would come with artificial intelligence and machine learning features built in. It's also believed that Bixby, the digital assistant introduced with the Galaxy S8, will play a prominent role in the software. 5. What's with the fingerprint sensor? Early reports claimed Samsung might try to offer a virtual sensor underneath the front display, a feature that was scrapped in the Galaxy S8. But subsequent rumors have suggested that Samsung would instead turn to a physical sensor, while others contend there won't even be a fingerprint sensor in the device, matching the iPhone X. 6. Sleek design, slightly improved. Don't expect many changes in the design of the Galaxy S9, but given the radical makeover that the Infinity display introduced with the Galaxy S8, that's not a bad thing. According to reports, Samsung will further reduce the size of the bezels at the top and bottom of the screen, with no other changes planned to the S9's look. The smartphone's dimensions will likely be nearly the same as the previous device, but could be a little shorter, due to the smaller bezel size.